Hello and welcome to my channel, Auto and RV Insider. Today, we are looking at something truly extraordinary, the all-new Volvo luxury motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a high-tech mansion on wheels that is completely changing the game for luxury travel. Just look at the exterior. The sleek, aerodynamic design and that massive 8-wheel base tell you right away that this is built for both performance and style. Let's step inside. The first thing you notice is the driving cabin. It feels like a cockpit from the future with its holographic displays and minimalist layout. Volvo has replaced every traditional button with smart touch surfaces, making it incredibly easy to pilot this giant. Moving further back, we enter the living area. The kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design, equipped with smart appliances that hide away to save space. It's perfect for anyone who loves to cook while on the road. And then, there's the master bedroom. It features a king-sized bed and a panoramic glass roof, allowing you to sleep under the stars wherever you park. The materials used throughout, from the vegan leather to the sustainable wood, give it that premium Scandinavian feel that Volvo is world famous for. Whether you're looking for the ultimate road trip machine or a full-time home, this Volvo motorhome offers a level of comfort and safety that is simply unmatched. It's a bold vision of what the future of RV life looks like. Thank you so much for watching this review on Auto and RV Insider. If you enjoyed this tour, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most incredible vehicles. Let me know in the comments what you think about this Volvo. Could you see yourself living in this? Until next time, keep exploring.